for those who don't know about KEDA, so KEDA in short form, the Kubernetes Event-driven Autoscaling is an open source component for Kubernetes that enhances autoscaling capabilities by enabling event-driven scaling based on custom metrics or metrics from external providers. So the KEDA extends the standard horizontal power autoscaler in Kubernetes, and it allows you for more flexible and granular autoscaling. So how to implement KEDA? So implementing KEDA is more straightforward one, because installing the KEDA controller is like the simplest one. All you need to do is just deploy the manifest, or you can also install it through Helm. And depending on your cluster configuration, we recommend you to use workload identity. So this workload identity in federation in GKE allows KEDA to query metrics from cloud monitoring if required. So in order to scale your workload, you can scale your workload using different metrics, whether the metrics can be exposed by your application, the metrics is already available in cloud monitoring. All you can do is you just create the required resources. We call it as a scaled object, which pointing to the metrics that KEDA can use to perform the scaling decision. So you can, as I said, if your applications are exposing metrics, you can use Prometheus to scrap the metrics, and then you can just update your scaled object to query the metrics from the Prometheus endpoint. Or if the metrics is available in cloud monitoring, it can since I mentioned with the workload identity federation for GKE, it allows KEDA to query the metrics from cloud monitoring as well. Yes, you can get the metrics from other external providers as well. So it can come from anywhere. In KEDA terms, we call it as scalers, which is like event source. So KEDA comes with tons of event sources natively. So you don't need to create one. There are lots of event sources available, which KEDA natively integrate with. You can just use that event source, and then you can pull the metrics, which allows you to add the scaling decision depending on your requirement.